Hi everyone, I'm Bill Clarkson with Clarkson Santoro, and this is our weekly real estate update for February 25th. In this weekly series, we update you on the latest trends that are occurring in our real estate market in San Ramon. Using our more than 50 years of combined experience helping clients buy and sell homes, we explain what those trends mean for you as a homeowner or someone looking for a house you will love to call a home. Our current inventory is 24 homes, up from last week's 19. The average asking price of those homes was $1,899,000, which is up from last week's average of $1,823,000. 15 homes asking an average of $1,878,000 went pending this week. That is more pending homes than last week's number of 9, with a higher average asking price from last week's $1,856,000. A total of 3 homes sold this week, with an average sales price of $1,755,000. This average was down from last week's average of $2,184,000, and the total number of sold homes was lower than last week's 9. And now, my commentary on what the numbers are telling us. Most importantly, our inventory of active homes is growing from the single digits a month ago to today's 24. This is almost half the number that would constitute a normal inventory. Because of this positive trend, we saw a significant uptick in the number of homes that went pending. This increase in the inventory has given buyers more choices and opportunities to buy, and consequently, the 30-day rolling average of pending sales has more than doubled from 20 homes on January 25th to 42 homes today. The 30-day rolling average selling price of sold homes in San Ramon has remained firm around the $2,142,000 mark. A month ago, the average sales price was $2,030,000, and 2 weeks ago, it peaked for a few days at $2,205,000. To keep these numbers in perspective, the average sales price of a home in San Ramon for the year 2021 was $1,770,000. The 30-day rolling average on December 31st, the end of the year, was $1,906,000. We are less than 2 months into the new year, and the average 30-day rolling average sales price is already up about $240,000, or 12.5%. Another hard-to-believe trend is a substantial increase in the amount buyers are bidding and willing to pay over the list price. The 30-day rolling average of the average amount paid over the list price increased over these last 30 days from $210,000 to $270,000. The average over the asking list price in San Ramon for a detached home is now 14.5%. Switching gears a bit, I want to share our concern that there are at least a couple of troubling dark clouds on the horizon. First, interest rates have risen about 1% from 2.9 to 3.9% in the last 6 months. This has effectively increased the cost of a mortgage by about 33%. The second is what we refer to as the equities market or the stock market valuation of high-tech firms located in the Silicon Valley. The general valuation of these high-tech stocks has fallen about 18% since December 2021. The reason this is a concern is that the majority of buyers coming to San Ramon are from the South Bay and are involved in or invested in high-tech companies. Most of these buyers are placing large amounts of cash down, ranging from 30 to perhaps as much as 60% of the purchase price. If their stock equities are taking a beating, it will have an impact on the buyer's ability to place large down payments, and this may impact demand and consequently prices. Both of these trends bear paying attention to. I hope this weekly summary and commentary was helpful. Let me know in the comments below if you have specific questions you would like us to answer in these updates about what the numbers mean for you. And if you find this information helpful, hit the like button and subscribe so you will always be up to date on the latest real estate news in San Ramon. Have a safe weekend, and we'll see you next week with a new update.